Hey everyone and welcome. In this video, I will walk you through the Petpooja POS integration on Yelo step by step. We will go over how to enable it, configure it for merchant and how catalog syncing and order flow works. Let's dive right in. The very first step is to enable the Petpooja extension. For that, on the Yelo dashboard, go to the extension section and search Petpooja and click on enable. Once you enable it, click on OK and the Petpooja extension has been successfully enabled on the dashboard. Now once the Petpooja extension has been enabled, we will go into the merchant configuration setting, whichever merchant wants to have the Petpooja configuration done. You can see Petpooja extension is now visible. We will click on update. And here you can see that various configuration settings that need to be added. Please note that the access token, app key and the app secret key will be provided by the Jungleworks team, and restaurant ID will be provided by the Petpooja team once you get their credentials. So we will enter these details and click on save. Now Petpooja has been successfully enabled. Now let's see how catalog syncing works. If we go on to the Yelo catalog, we can see that no catalog setup has been done. For that, we will go on to the Petpooja dashboard and under menu management, we will go to the menu list, choose the restaurant and click on show menu. For demonstration purposes, we have already configured and set up the catalog on Petpooja. Now in order to sync it with Yelo, we will click on menu trigger. Choose send full menu to Jungleworks and click on push menu. Again click on push menu. The data has been synced on Yelo, and if I go back and refresh on Yelo, you can see that the entire catalog from Petpooja has been synced on Yelo. Please note that this syncing is one way, which means that catalog can be synced from Petpooja to Yelo, but if you make any changes on Yelo, those changes once saved won't get reflected on Petpooja. So if you want to on, off or disable and enable or manage your inventory for that matter of sake, the inventory management need to be happened on Petpooja only. And on Petpooja, once you enable or disable any product, that will be auto synced on Yelo's dashboard or Yelo's catalog. Also, please note that menu syncing may take certain time depending on the menu items. Now let's see how order flow works. So, whenever a customer places an order on Yelo website, the order is created on both Yelo and Petpooja POS. So we will go to the order listing on Petpooja, choose the restaurant and click on search. You can see the various orders that have come on Petpooja can be seen under the order listing page. You have various actions. For an instance, you can mark the food as ready, dispatched, accepted, or you can even cancel the order from the Petpooja. However, only two status sync can be backed on Yelo, which is accept or cancel. So for an instance, if you have marked any order as mark food ready, this status sync will not occur on Yelo. On Yelo, the order will be listed as accepted. So if an order is accepted or cancelled on Petpooja, you will see that status update on Yelo, but other status changes won't get reflected. So also, whenever an order is placed, against each order number, you can see the order details, which are also known as KOT, which is kitchen order ticket. And you can see the various details according to the order number appended. Similar details can be seen on the yellow dashboard also. So according to the order ID, the order details will get reflected on the yellow dashboard as well. So that's it. That was the complete walkthrough of the Petpooja POS integration on Yelo, from enabling the extension to merchant level setup, catalog syncing, and how order behave across platforms. If you have any question or need help, feel free to reach out. Thank you for watching.